Hi, and today I'm just going to do a review on my Landyachtz Switchblade 36. So please like and subscribe. I got this board for Christmas and I really like it because it's very slidey and it's just very comfortable to ride. The length of it is 36 inches, the width is 9.5 and the wheelbase is 27. The construction of it is maple, and the concave is aggressive, as you can see. The flex is low, but I don't like flex. I just don't like it. Yeah, I found that a really slidey board. It came with mini zombie hogs with bones reds, 80A and 70mm. Came with bear trucks, 852s with green bushings. And yeah, thanks for watching and please subscribe.